Hi everyone, welcome back. This is unboxing video of QNAP TS-131P network attached storage device, and this is a device which is actually marketed for the home use, and it is having the basic functions which can be connected through internet or through LAN within the home network. So for security purpose, it's better to connect behind the router, and it has got several software apps that can be installed in mobile phone or tablet, or some software utilities that can be installed on laptop or desktop computer as well. And it has got apps for both Mac and also for Windows. Here is the unit. And let us open the plastic wrapper. So this is having one touch copy button, and one touch copy button can be used to connect a hard disk to take a backup to hard drive, or from hard drive to NAS. Data can be copied, and it can be also used to synchronize between hard disk and NAS. There are four LEDs and a one touch copy power button and USB for one touch copy. And there is a quick setup label here. And two USB ports at back and Ethernet port. And here the specs are given on this small label sticker. And QNAP model number and the logo at the bottom. And here is the quick installation guide that explains the basic functionality and how to connect. And there are some screws given for affixing the hard disk. There is a Ethernet cable, and this is the power adapter and connector. Let us open the Ethernet cable. And this NAS I have been using for more than 2 years now. Just posting the unboxing video a bit late. And let us come to connect the hard disk. I have the hard disk already purchased, and which is actually pre-installed in Sabrent hard disk case. Now removing from that and installing it in the NAS. So let us quickly speak about the specs. And it has got 1 GB RAM, and it has got Annapurna Labs 1.7 gigahertz processor, and this is a WD Red Plus, which is actually marketed for the NAS drives. And behind the NAS, there are two USB and one Ethernet port. There is a white cartridge which can be opened with a push of a button there. And we are opening here the screws to be placed on the NAS cartridge. Okay, now we got the hard disk affixed, and now putting the latch back on and inserting the drive cartridge into the NAS drive. And now this has to be connected to the router with the Ethernet cable. And if we have UPC, then it can be connected to UPC with the USB cable on the back, and plug in the power. Then all set. We have a network drive running. Thank you very much.